Hi, Jenny here. I came across another soup recipe while scrolling through Facebook the other day that sounded really tasty. So today we are going to make baked potato soup in the crock pot. Let's get started. For this recipe we are going to need 1 bag of frozen hash brown cubes, so diced hash brown potatoes, 32 ounces, 1 can of cream of chicken soup, 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1 cup of cheddar cheese, 9 ounces of bacon bits, 2 packages of ranch seasoning, 4 cups of chicken broth, and some green onions to taste. We will now mix everything into the crock pot and then set it on high to cook. So we have our bag of potatoes. I'm going to add my broth. Should help cover the bottom too and not make the potatoes stick. So 1 container of the chicken broth is 4 cups, so that's nice. I like that when I'm making my soup recipes and I need the 4 cups. We just get 1 container like this. Don't need to buy a couple cans. Alright, we'll add our cream cheese. If we break that up, it'll be easier, but can of soup. We got our packages of ranch seasoning. So that's kind of nice too, that you have all your seasoning already all together in 1 packet. You don't have to find a whole bunch of different containers of seasoning. I'm just going to pour these right in. My bag of cheese is 2 cups. We only need about 1 cup for the recipe, so we'll put that in there, which is good because then we'll save some of that cheese to put as a garnish for when we're serving. And the bacon bits, this is actually a 9-ounce package, but same, we'll put about 3/4 of this in here and save some for garnishing. Cool. That's right. When you buy these packets, also look out for the little preserver little packet so that doesn't get mixed in your soup. That would not be good. That's a lot of bacon. And then we'll just put a handful of onions in. And same, we will save some of these for garnish also. Mix it up as best as you can. I have a little bit of a smaller crock pot here. It does all fit. I was kind of wondering, like that was a lot of potatoes. But we'll give it a little mix now, and then total cook time is about 3 hours. So I suppose we'll turn this on high, cook it for 3 hours, and I would say probably stir it after about an hour, hour and a half. Just again to mix everything in well as this cheese is all melting and stuff. We'll just mix it all up so all the flavors will be incorporated and it will taste yummy delicious. That's pretty much it. We'll just make sure everything's kind of covered by the liquid. Set it and forget it. I will see you back in about 3 hours. Hour and a half is up, so let's stir. The baked potato soup is done. Still a little warm. So at the end here, as I was mixing it up, I had to just kind of mix it up real well again. Some of the cream cheese hadn't been completely mixed in there. Other than that, everything looked good, it smells good. So let's give this a try. Lots of good potatoes in there. Very bacony. It's good. I would almost say this is more of a loaded baked potato soup. With having those bacon bits on there and cheese and onions. It's very tasty, very flavorful. And potatoes are good, so it tastes good. I like it. So I will leave this recipe down in the description below. Let me know in the comments down below if you've made a soup like this before. I kind of like having soups like this where we can throw it in the crock pot, especially on the weekends when we're usually busy and running around doing things. So something I can just put in the crock pot, let it go, and then eat it when we're ready. Those are always good dishes to have. So I'm going to go finish enjoying my dinner. You guys, keep it positive. Go make it a great day. Bye-bye.